Hi, this is Padmapriya Raghavan. I am an Indian right now residing in France. I am a consultant, teacher, trainer, and an independent researcher. I am very happy to be a part of the TESOL Colloquium 2021, and I feel honored to be one of the speaker for the same. I'll be presenting you two topics. One is about reflective teaching, and the other one is about multi-level classroom. As we all know, reflective teaching is a kind of reflective practice where the teacher tries to learn through self-assessment and self-evaluation and tries to improve his or her own teaching skills. I personally feel that teaching is not only about making someone learn, but also the teacher has to influence the candidate or the individual through his or her knowledge or wisdom. So in my session, I'll be focusing on two aspects. The primary aspect would be how this reflective teaching can be used as a strategic teaching method and why it has to be so. And the second aspect is about how this reflective teaching, cognition and metacognition are related to each other, and why this has to be considered as a influential factor to improvise the teacher as well as the individuals the knowledge aspects.